It is one of the oldest organizations in Hong Kong. It was called the only other organization I know, is probably over military granted, but the law has left. We would like to see more of these events from our Filipino community organization. But more importantly, because we're in the media, I'd just like to ask everyone, our overseas Filipino workers, to pay more attention to what's happening around us. It's been difficult trying to put out the correct information out there because of the proliferation of a lot of false information. Sometimes it's not deliberate. Information is just passed on from one person to another. I just wish that people would take time to find out whether the information we're passing on is correct. Because there's a lot of problems with false information. Give the sun, for example, having witnesses to even the mainstream media are guilty of this. Like, for example, there was one